Loud snoring at night? It's not just noise. It could be a warning from your body. As a doctor, I see too many people ignore snoring. But if it's loud and happens almost every night, it may be sleep apnea, a serious condition that stresses your heart and increases the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and even stroke. Here's what you need to know. Track snoring at home. Record your sleep sounds with a smartphone or ask your partner to note if you snore loudly. This helps gauge how serious the snoring is. If snoring is loud, regular, or accompanied by breathing pauses, urgently consult a sleep specialist. These could be signs of sleep apnea requiring diagnosis. How to reduce snoring. Lose weight. Excess weight, especially around the neck, narrows airways. Avoid alcohol and sedatives. They relax throat muscles, worsening snoring. Humidify the air. Dry air irritates nasal passages. Use a humidifier in your bedroom.
Stop Google symptoms. Google AskDocDoc.